Hello everyone, how are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel, for giving me lots of love to the channel. This is your messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other. Okay, this is the message which I'm receiving it again and again. I am not the same person you remember. Okay, that's the message which I'm receiving from your divine masculine. But let's see, I'm going right now, I'm talking to you here. Okay, so I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, because this is the general collective divine masculine energies and messages. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, so take whatever is resonating and leave the rest. And now let's start your reading, and let's see what are the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine who are not in contact with each other? These two messages wants to come out. I am ready for a new beginning. You are my sun and strength. So now let's see what does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine who are in a twin flame journey. DM to the DF. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Help me out to deliver. I am not the same person that you remember. Okay, the same message. What are the messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? Which I need to deliver. Please let me know what are the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? I am not the same person you remember. This is the fourth or fifth time I'm getting the message from the divine masculine. They want you to connect in 5D. Any other message? You are my sun and strength. Okay. The same messages are here. While shuffling also I was getting these messages. Now also I'm getting the same messages here. So basically they want to talk to you, but they don't know what to say. Okay. Your divine masculine is blank right now, same as me. Okay, I'm getting the energy of them. They want to say a lot of things, but they are blank. They don't know what to say. That's what they want to say, that I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. I need more time to figure out things. Okay, so give them time to figure things out. They want to talk to you but they don't know what to say to you. Basically, you love me, I still love you. Okay, they still love you. You love me, they want to know that it's not over, we will be together again. Okay, so they want to tell you, divine feminine, it's not over and we will be together again. You are my sun and strength. You make me a better person. 0444. Okay, maybe you can see number synchronicities of 414, 404, 444. Okay, so you are my sun and strength. You inspire me to make. You inspire me to become a better person. You make me a better person here. That's what they want to say. No one other compares to you here. No one other compares to you. You respect my family. You sound sexy over the phone. This message keeps on coming again and again. So they love the voice, basically love the voice of you, divine feminines, and they love the voice when you talk to them over phone. Okay, then there is please connect me into the 5D. So they want you to connect with them in 5D level. I am not the same person you remember, and that's very important message they want to convey to you, that they are not the same person you remember them. I have known you in often lifetimes. You make me feel that I am worthy something, and I wish you were here with me. So they're wishing that you were there with them. That's so beautiful. Okay, so let's see more messages from the divine masculine. I need more time. Same message here. They need more time, divine feminines. Give them time here. I need more time. I need more time to figure things out. I need more time. That's the same message here from my both decks. Okay, let's see more messages. What are the message? Family issues plays a big part in my love life. Okay. So let's see. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say to the divine feminine? What does divine masculine wants to say? Same message is here again. I need... Okay, so I need more time. That's the same message I told you, that they need more time to figure things out. So give them more time, divine feminine, so that they can figure out things. Okay, there is your beauty and strength intimates me. Then there is you inspire me to live authentically here. You make me a better person. You make me feel that I'm worth something. You make me a better person. You make me feel, you inspire me to live authentically here. So that's the message I'm getting here from the divine masculines here. Then they want to say, please don't be scared. I'm not going anywhere here. Okay, don't be scared, divine feminines. They are not going anywhere. It's not over yet. Okay, it's not over. We will be together. Don't be scared. That's the same thing they want to say, that it's not over. Please don't be scared. I'm not going anywhere here. We will be together again very soon. Okay, so it's the same message here again. Then thank you for being patient with me. Thank you for being patient with me. Now their heart chakra is open. So they want to tell you, I can feel the flow of our love. Okay, you will be so proud of me if you know how far I have come. Okay, you would be so proud of me if you know how far I have come. That's why they are saying that you don't know, I am not the same person which you remember here. Okay, then they want to tell you that I see signs that reminds me of you all the time. So they're getting the signs, the signals from the universe, and the universe is trying to tell them that she is your divine feminines, or he is your divine feminines here. Okay, so they are getting the signs here from the universe basically, and they are missing you. They're reminding them, these signs are reminding them of you. Now let's see more messages. What are the messages from the divine masculine? Please give me the messages. They are doing the healing. I am healing my inner child. Okay, so they are doing the healing here, and they want to tell you that you give me hope. You are my sun. You are my strength here. That's what they want to tell you here. You give me hope. You are my sun. You are my strength. So these are the messages which I'm receiving here from the Divine Masculine. Now let's see what are the more messages from the Divine Masculine here from my handmade deck. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? See, heart chakra activated. Definitely the heart chakra is now activated, open here. Okay, that's why they are feeling the flow of your love. They're feeling the flow of love. Okay, let's see what are the messages from the Divine Masculine. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Please give me the messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? I often known you in many lifetimes. Divine Masculine wants to tell you this, okay? So they know that we are one, twin flames. I know this, one soul into two bodies. I known you in many often lifetimes. They know that you are the twin of them here. Okay, let me see more messages. You can be dealing with earth element here. I will contact you soon, gaining strength to approach you. So they will contact you soon, Divine Feminines. Right now they're gaining the strength here. I am walking away from anything that no longer serves me. So they are walking away from anything which don't serve them basically. I am at the crossroads in my life right now. So they are at the crossroads. This is the Two of Wands energy. They are deciding something for their life. I find it hard to show emotion here. I find it hard to show emotion. When it's quiet, my mind fills with you only. Okay. Then they want to tell you, I know you are the only one in this whole universe. So they know you are the only one in this whole universe. The earth element, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So maybe you are the earth element, or your Divine Masculine is the earth element here. I am taking the responsibility towards our connection. Okay, let me see more messages. Wow. You are my sunlight. You are my sun. You are my strength. Okay, that's what they want to tell you. And the brightness of the video is also get increased now. And I love it when universe talks to me like this, and it's beautiful actually. You are my sun and strength. You are my sunlight. They want to tell you, Divine Feminines, that okay, I miss you. So they are missing you, Divine Feminines. Okay, what are the messages? What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Any other message? They want to say a lot of things, but they are getting blank. Okay, they're feeling like a hangman. I secretly watch you through social media apps, friends and relatives. So they are watching you. If you think that your Divine Masculine is not watching you, they are watching you. They are keeping an eye. They secretly watching you through social media apps, friends, or your common friends, your relatives. Okay, so that's what they want to tell you here. I can't do right now. It's not the right time. They need more time to figure things out. They need more time to figure things out. Okay, so that's what they want to tell you, that I need more time. This is not the right time here. I need more time here. I can't do this right now. It's not the right time. Okay, I need more time. So give them time, Divine Feminine here. Okay, let me see more messages. I don't know why I am receiving it. Too many messages. No. Give me more messages. What does Divine Masculine wants to say? Wow. I am healing my inner child. I am healing my past. So they are working on themselves, okay? They are doing the healing. I am healing my past. I am healing my inner child. That's beautiful. That's beautiful, Divine Masculine. If you are watching this video, keep healing. Keep doing your healing, okay? Keep doing it. Any other messages? I can't stop thinking about you, okay? My transformation process is going on. Rebirth is going on, okay? So rebirth is going on. The transformation is going on for the Divine Masculine. As you know, that Divine Masculine is going through awakening, and now right now the current energy is that the transformation is taking place in the Divine Masculine life, okay? They're going through their death and rebirth process. They want to tell you that I can't stop thinking about you when it's quiet. My mind fills with you. I miss you, okay? So they are missing you, Divine Feminines. I am facing my inner fears. So they are facing their inner fears. I am afraid that things might go wrong. Wow. You are on my mind. I am on my mission here. Then there is, I am making a decision towards our union. So they want to tell you that I am at a crossroads right now in my life right now, and they are making a decision towards the union, okay? Any other message? Bottom of the deck, I'm having I am leaving the karmic relationship here. So they are leaving the karmic. They want to tell you they are leaving the karmic here. Connect with me through meditation here. They want to connect with you through, in 5D level, Divine Feminines. Okay, I feel alone. Nothing and nobody can make me feel complete. I am proud of you. I am releasing the programming and conditioning of society, dissolving taboos. So they are removing. Now they're becoming on the version of unconditional love, basically. Okay, so they're releasing the programming and conditioning of society. They're dissolving any taboos which has been created by the society here. Our paths will be crossed again. Okay, crown chakra is activated now. Their crown chakra is activated here as they're doing the healing, they're doing the meditation. That's why they want you to connect with them on 5D level. I want you to be happy. So be happy, Divine Feminines. Your Divine Masculine wants you to be happy. Hear my message through music. Listen deeply to music. There is a message for you. So listen carefully, music, Divine Feminines. There is a specific message for you in music. Okay, so they are trying to connect with you through music. So these are the messages which I am having here for you from your Divine Masculine. Now let's see what are the doubts of the Divine Masculine. What are the doubts of the Divine Masculine for this reading? Please give me what are the doubts for this reading. What are the doubts? I'm still hurt from my past rejections here. So that's the doubt they are having. They're still hurt from their past rejections. I have said bad things about you to others, and now I don't know how to make it right. Okay. I still don't even know what I want out of from my life. Okay, so they still don't know. They are at the crossroad. That's why they're saying that they need more time to figure things out. This is not the right time. Give them time here, Divine Feminines to the Divine Masculines. Then they want to tell you, would my darkness push you away? Will you still love me in my breakdowns? I feel like a bad person when I look into your eyes and remember the things I put you through. Okay. I don't know if I am capable of being a family man or a father. I care too much what my friends think about our situation. 1111 1111. So this is an important message. Divine feminines, they think too much. Okay, they care too much what my friends think about our situation. I don't know if I am good enough for you. I still want to be desired by other females because growing up I was not the attractive guy for other friends were, and I need a lot of external validation. So they need external validation basically. So these are the divine masculine doubts. Basically, what are the doubts they are having? Now let's see what should divine feminine do. Detach from the outcome. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the things divine feminine has to do. What should divine feminine do? Let's see. What should divine feminine do? Too many messages. What should divine feminine do? What should divine feminine do? Forgive yourself, believe in miracles, know that things are temporary. This chapter is not over. Okay, this chapter is not over. That's what divine masculine was also saying, that this is not over. Okay, it's not over. Things are temporary. It's not over here. So that's what you should do. Also, you have to believe in miracles and forgive yourself. Okay, let me see more. Anything else? Pay attention to the signs. Pay attention to the numbers of the clock, on the clock. So right now you are getting a lot of number synchronicities, divine feminines. Pay attention to the numbers on the clock. Basically, trust your intuitions. Okay, right now you are very intuitive. You have to believe on your intuitions. Restorative yoga, you have to do yoga for your into your daily routine. Watch a comforting movie or listen to your favorite artist. 1333 is the recording reading time. Watch any movie which you love and listen to your favorite singer, artist who feeds your soul. Okay, then there is treat yourself. Set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Pay attention to the last song you have heard. Okay, that's a specific message. You will receive the message from your divine masculine. Okay, there is a message through music for you, divine feminine. So pay attention to the last song you have heard and let me know in the comment section also. Eat grounding food and believe in new beginnings. Okay, let me see any other thing. Make a move. Forget about people who forget about you. Remember who you were before all of this. And do the opposite of what you would normally do. So these are the things which you should do. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. Now let's see what are the messages from the universe to the divine feminine. What does the universe wants to give? What does universe wants to give the messages to the divine feminine? What does universe wants to say? Please give me the messages. 1515 was the recording reading time. What does universe wants to give the messages to the divine feminine? Bottom of the deck, I am having that you have to work on your soul purpose as soon as possible, 100%. Okay, if you are not working it out, divine feminines, you need to work it out as soon as possible. Okay, so start working on your soul purpose. 1551 is the recording reading time. This is an important message. You need to work on your soul purpose. Okay, 100%. Then there is a mirror number of 4004. Can you see 4004? And the message is, remember the power and strength you have as a divine being. Okay, learn to forgive yourself and others. This is very important message. Again and again I'm getting in today's reading. You need to forgive yourself and forgive others to divine feminines. Then there is, write your thoughts and innermost desires in a journal. Write it out in the diary. That will help you out into healing and into manifestation, and that will help you out into clarity also, because universe will able to understand that what you want to manifest in your life. Then there is, invest time in pursuing into a new hobby or interest. Stop dwelling to your past and let it go. You are not alone. We are working with you, and there is a sun here. So new happy beginnings are coming for you, divine feminines. You are not alone. The universe is with you. The angels, the divine, the everyone is with you. So that's very good, very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the blockages for this reading. Apply these blockages according to your situation, and if it is not applying it, you can leave it out. Okay, it's not necessary that every blockage is going to resonate with you. So take according to your situation, and if it is not getting resonating with your situation, you can leave it out. Now let's see what are the blockages for this reading. Please give me the blockages for this reading. What are the blockages for this reading? What are the blockages? 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 Okay. So there are anger issues here. Okay, some of you are having a blockage of anger issues. Either divine feminine, you are having anger issues, or the divine masculine is having anger issues. But someone is having anger issues here. Someone is stressed here. Okay, either of one of you, but someone is having stressed issue, blockage as a blockage. Someone is very sensitive. Okay, that is also a blockage here. There is someone who is overthinker. Then there is someone who is lazy. Okay, these are the blockages in your twin flame journey. Then there is spoiled brat. There can be someone who is a manipulator. Then there is someone who is secretive. There is someone who is confused and stuck. And there is someone who has sex addiction. So these are the blockages in your twin flame journey. Remove these blockages as soon as possible so that you can get reunited with your twin flame. Now let's see what are the messages from the tarot deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages. What are the messages for this reading? See, death and rebirth. I told you divine masculines are going through with the transformation process. They're going through with death and rebirth process. Okay, the death of yesterday is a birth of today. So they're going through with death and rebirth here. They're going through a big transformation. Let's see more messages. What are the messages for this reading? Please give me the messages for this reading. Wow. Divine feminines, you are rising as in divine feminines. There are two sets of divine feminines here. Okay, some of you are still in a codependency relationship, narcissist and codependent behaviors. You are still dealing with some kind of codependency here issue. So just get away from this codependency issue and the other set of divine feminines are rising as divine feminines. Nothing can resist her magnetizing nature. So you're becoming your highest self. Okay, you're becoming the divine feminine here. There is a life purpose. You are here for a reason. Okay, so work on your life purpose, divine feminines, as soon as possible. That I already told you, that you have to work on your soul purpose, you have to work on your life purpose. There is faith. Again, the same message is here. Step into your power to create change. You have to choose faith over fear. Then there is new beginnings. New doors are opening up for you. New doors are opening up for you here. So new beginnings are here. What are the messages? Any other messages for this reading? Bottom of the deck, I'm having twin flame awakening. Gaining closer, gaining awareness. I told you divine masculines are going through with awakening process. Okay, so many of you, your divine masculines, are going through with twin flame awakening here. Okay, and there is galactic downloads, ascension light codes upgrade. So this is a period of ascension, this is the period of download. So lot of downloads, lot of galactic downloads, ascension code lights have been getting transmuted to into your consciousness, into your 3D world, into your body, basically divine feminines. Okay, so just be open up to receive the upgrades, the ascension which you are receiving from the 5D level, from the universe. Then some of you are dealing with a soulmate, but they are helping you out to grow. This is not a karmic soulmate, this is a soulmate. Okay, so they are basically helping you out to grow. They are making you ready for a twin flame here. Then there is a message. We are bringing information to benefit you. So there is a divine angelic presence around you. They are giving you a message which will help you out, divine feminines or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. Then there is confusion. Resolve doubts to open up to love. Okay, you need to release the confusion from your mind. Then there is healthy sexuality, balancing the physical flow of love. Let me see more message. Any other message for this reading? Is there any other message? Wow. Forgive is again the message is here. You need to forgive as soon as possible. Forgiveness is required here. Okay, learn to forgive yourself and for others too. Forgive others. That's very important message which you have to apply here, divine feminines. And there is astral experiences, nighttime journey and meeting. So maybe while you sleep, you are doing astral experiences. Okay, you're doing astral experiences and you're meeting your divine counterpart, your twin flame, your divine masculine, through nightmares, through journey, nighttime journey and meeting. So there right now astral experience is open up for you. So this is beautiful message here which I'm getting here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let's see what are the emotions your divine masculine is right now in. What are the emotions divine masculine is currently in? What are the emotions divine masculine is having right now? What are the emotions? Okay. They are feeling desperated, okay, out of control, in need. So because they want to meet you, they are feeling very desperate here. Then they are feeling sad, unhappy, joyless, dejected. So they are not happy at all. They are feeling very sad here. They are stressed out, stressed. Okay, then there is disappointment, disappointed. Okay, so they are disappointed here. Then there is comforted. Then there is angry. So maybe your divine masculine is very angry because they are desperate to meet you basically. So these are the emotions which right now they are in currently. Now let me add one message from the whispers of love for this reading. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? Please give me one message. New love. Embrace an opportunity for love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. Okay, I told you some of you are dealing with a soulmate here, and it's not bad, divine feminines. If there is a soulmate you are dealing with, if there is a new love, welcome them, because they will help you out in your spiritual growth. Okay, they will help you out in your soul's growth, because they are here to help you out. Okay, so embrace an opportunity for love in your work prospects or for spiritual growth. That's very important here. So this is very important message here. Thank you for giving the message. Let's see what is the message from Power of Surrender cards, what they need to surrender. One message for this reading. Please give me one message. Please give me one message for this reading. What does Divine Feminine or the Divine Masculine has to surrender? Surrender to passion. Get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people or activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. Okay, so you need to surrender to the passion here. And surrender to effortlessness. Stop pushing so hard. The art of living means going with the flow instead of trying to force the river. Okay, so just go with the flow. Then let's see what is the soul purpose for this reading. What is the soul purpose for this reading? What is the soul purpose for this reading? Sorry, what is the soul lesson? What is the soul lesson for this reading? What is the soul lesson which Divine Masculine or the Divine Feminine needs to learn? No, too many. I need only one soul lesson. I always get 2-3 messages. Never get one. Okay. Imagination. I embrace and nourish the creative aspect of my mind. Okay, so you have to learn this soul lesson of imagination. And next is trust. I accept that my inner voice will always guide me correctly. You need to trust your intuition. Okay, Divine Feminines or the Divine Masculine, whoever is watching this video, you need to keep the trust. That's the soul lesson you need to learn. That's beautiful. Let me add one message from the Power of Love. Thank you for giving the message. Give me one message for this reading. Loyalty. Your reliability demonstrates your loving sense of devotion and consistency of being. So that's the message I'm getting for you here. That's beautiful message. Now let me see what is this life purpose for this video, for this reading. What is the life purpose you want me to tell for this reading? Help me out for the life purpose. What is the life purpose? What is the life purpose here? Okay. So writing is an important life purpose. You heal, inspire, teach and entertain with the words you write. So you can be good into writing, Divine Feminines or the Divine Masculine. So life purpose can be, your life purpose can be a writing, okay? Because the words you write that inspire, heals and teach and entertain, okay? Each soul, whoever they listen, read that words basically. Then there is study. Reading, research and education help you gain confidence and clarity about your career. So study is an important life purpose in your life, because that will help you out into gaining the confidence and the clarity about your career. Then there is a career change. You are embarking upon a career that brings you the joy and abundance you deserve and desire. So if you're thinking about the career change, do it, because that's your life purpose, to change the career right now here. It's a time to decide. Make a decision based on your heart's true desires. Okay, that's beautiful message, because next message I'm having the heart desire. So it is the time to make a decision based on your heart's true desires. Then there is the angels are supporting, guiding and protecting you as your dreams becomes a reality. So you are not alone, everyone is supporting you here. Beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add one message from Wisdom of Oracle deck. Thank you for giving the message. What is the message for this reading? What is the message for this reading? Please give me message for this reading. What message you want me to deliver? Okay. So the first message I'm getting for you is chaos and conflicts. Okay, so whatever conflicts and chaos you are facing right now, do not worry at all, because can you see in this picture, this is the zebra, but in this picture the zebra is wearing the skin of giraffe. Okay, and by whatever happening here, by the conflicts and chaos, you are becoming your true self. Okay, you are shedding the skin which does not belong to you, and you're shedding that skin. Okay, so it's beautiful. Okay, you're becoming your own higher self, you're getting your own skin. The zebra is shedding these giraffe skins basically because of the chaos and conflicts. You are becoming on your higher self, you're becoming the best version of yourself. So keep moving in a forward direction. And the next message which I am having is message in a bottle. Second thing, there is number 33 and this is 15, 6 and 6. So maybe you can see the number synchronicities of 66, 1133 is the recording reading time, 66 or 6 or 666. Okay, so there is a message in a bottle. That means there will be a communication. Can you see there is a phone in the bottle here? Okay, so there will be a message, there will be a phone call from someone, maybe from your divine masculine. Okay, you will receive a message or a call from your divine masculine. Okay, there is a news which is coming through with you, through the phone towards you basically, and this is very beautiful message. So thank you for giving the message. Now let's see one message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. Give me one message. Address your addictions. Okay, you need to address your addictions. Whatever addictions you are facing right now, you need to address them. Beautiful message. Thank you. Let's see more message. One message from True Love reading. Give me one message for this. One message. What is the message for this reading? Self-respect. Okay. So you need to focus on self-respect. If you don't respect yourself, how can you expect others to respect you? So self-respect, you need to respect yourself and keep loving yourself. That's the word I'm getting here for you. You need to be into the flow of self-love. You're not loving yourself, you have to love yourself. Okay, Divine Feminine, self-love and self-respect is important here. So that's beautiful message. Let's see what is the message from Lovers Oracle for this reading. Too many messages. Please give me one message. A message for you. Okay. I am thinking of you this very moment. Your love fills me with light. I love you. So that's the message from your twin flame here. There is a message for you. I just told you that there is a message for you here. And here it is, a message for you. Okay. I am thinking of you this very moment, and your love fills me with light. I love you. That's beautiful. And the second message which I am getting here for you is reflection. Give each other some space at the moment. Trust and have faith that all will work out for the best. So you need to give each other some space and trust and have faith that everything will work out according to the divine timing. Thank you for giving the message. Now let's see what is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards you. What is the next step before that? 1 minute. I need to add some messages from the angel guide. Intuitions and guard downloads. Yeah, my intuition was telling me that I have not taken the message from the angels. Okay. What is the message for this reading? Please give me the messages. What is the message for this reading? Harmony and resolution. Any other message? Blessings and abundance. Any other message? Right now you have to take a step back. Okay, divine feminines, take a step back here. Why? There is a complete no for some very specific question. I do not know for what, but if there is this is a specific message for someone. Maybe you're looking for yes or no. So there is a specific no for that question. You need to take a step back. Take a step back and there is a no, complete no. Joy and contentment, ease and grace. So you're going to receive a lot of joy and contentment in your life, okay? Because harmony and resolution is coming in your life, okay? Then there is blessings and abundance, mother, father and God. This is very powerful message. This is a direct message from the divine that you are not alone. I am listening to you and I am sending the blessings and abundance to you. Okay, divine feminine. So this is beautiful message. I can say that you have to keep your courage and bravery. Keep moving in a forward direction, divine feminines. Keep your courage and bravery as a warrior woman. Okay, can you see? Keep your courage here. Then there is opportunity and change. Opportunity and change is coming for you, definitely, that I can say. Okay, so grab that opportunity. If the opportunity in your job, in your career is coming, use that opportunity and you can change your career. Then there is raise your vibration. You need to raise your vibrations here, okay? Because I told you there are two set of divine feminines here in this energy which I was reading for today. There is one set of divine feminine who needs to raise their vibrations. So it raise your vibrations. Then there is signs and remedies. Lot of signs you are receiving. Maybe you can see lot of birds, bluebirds, butterfly, rainbow, stars, okay, leaf, clouds, maybe many more signs. Okay, so you're getting the signs and synchronicities from the universe, from the angels. They are trying to communicate with you. So that's beautiful message. So pay attention to them here. Thank you, angels, for giving the message. Let me add one message from the angels and ancestors. What is the message you want me to deliver? Okay. So the first message for you is sage. Be devoted and committed here. Okay, this is the hermit mode. I can say that. Be devoted and committed. And there is druid. Hold your space. This is beautiful. Can you see how beautiful it is? Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from the angels answers. What angels wants to answer? Not the right time. Same message which I received. It's not no again. Okay, so there is specific no. This is not the right time. Okay. Wait a second. There is complete no divine feminine or the divine masculine, whoever is watching this video. There is a complete no, okay? It's not the right time. You have to take a step back, okay? You have to take a step back. Then there is improving health. So if you are not having a good health right now, so your health is going to get improved, okay? Improving health is here. Then there is within the few next weeks, okay? So these are the messages from the angel answers. Thank you, angel answers, for giving the message. Let me add one message from the Dancing with Angels for this reading. Please give me one message for this reading. Love is in the air. And bottom of the deck, I'm having past life. Relationship in this life are karmic and carried over from the past lives. Angels wants you to go through them gracefully. So I told you, many of you are dealing with a soulmate. So this is someone who is coming in this life from your past life, and angels wants you to deal with them very gracefully, okay? Then there is love is in the air. Angels of love and romance see lot of love energy in your aura and indicate chances of a new love relationship, marriage, or an engagement. So that's beautiful here. Thank you, angels, for giving the messages. Now let's see what is the next step divine masculine wants to take towards the divine feminine. What does divine masculine wants to take? What does divine masculine wants to take the next step? What is the next step? King of swords, king of air. See, lot of communication, 8 of wands, and this king of air, king of swords. So they want to communicate with you, divine feminines. They see you as someone who is very passionate, okay? See, queen of fire, 6 of cups, 10 of cups, patience, sun. Wow. So yes, they want to communicate with you. Lot of communication is coming towards you. And this is 6 of cups. It's also a soulmate card here. This is someone from your past. They see you as queen of fire here. Can you see? They see you as someone who is very passionate, very creative, mysterious, and they want to communicate with you. Right now they are in the energy of king of air. King of air is king of swords, okay? So they know the truth that you are someone who is very passionate, very attractive, and you are the only one with whom they want to create 10 of water, 10 of cups. Happy family, happy life, okay? They want to communicate with you. Lot of communication is coming towards you. 8 of fire is 8 of wands, okay? Expect communication from your divine masculine. Then there is patience, but right now you have to keep patience, divine feminines, okay? Because this is the sun card. In the normal in today's my normal reading also, I was getting the sun. So in your twin flame reading also, I'm getting the sun. So new happy beginnings are going to happen for you too. 2233 is the recording reading time, okay? Any other message? What does divine masculine wants to take the next step? 5 of Pentacle and the 2 of Pentacle. What is the next step? Ace of Cups. Okay, so they see bottom of the deck, I'm having Fool. They want to take a leap of faith. 4 of Wands, Fire of... Wow, wow, wow. Okay. I think I'm done with this. Here. So, they know that they left you out in cold. There were no balance. 2 of Pentacles, they were juggling a lot to bring a balance, okay? There was no balance here. They left you out in cold with the 5 of Pentacles. They know that, okay? But now they want to give you Ace of Cups. Ace of water is Ace of Cups, a cup which is full of emotion, emotional fulfillment. They want to offer you that, okay? So that's what they want to take you, because you are the twin flame for them. They know that. 4 of fire, 4 of wands. This is 11 twin flame cards. And this is your divine counterpart. Can you see right now they are very passionate. They are full of emotions and they also know the truth. So right now they are embodying the energy of king of water, king of cups, king of fire and king of air. King of Wands, King of Water, and the King of Souls. So they are getting the three energies of these three kings. They want to take a leap of faith with you, divine feminines, and they want to move in a forward direction. That's what I'm having here for you. So that's beautiful. They want to, the Sun and the Fool is beautiful combination here. Okay, that's beautiful. The Fool energy is 0 and the Sun energy is 1 plus 9 is equal to 10. Okay, so that's beautiful. That's beautiful step they want to take towards you. Now let's see what are the signs you may be dealing with, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Okay, what are the signs? 1 minute. Let me see one message from this deck. What is the message you want me to deliver for this reading? There is definitely change which is coming for you, divine feminines. There will be a message. Okay, there will be a message here from your divine masculine. Expect a message or call from them, and there is a big happy changes which are coming for you. There is house and there is concern. So someone is concerned here in your house. Maybe this can be your father, your brother, okay, but someone who is your uncle, okay, but someone who is older in age, okay, your grandparents, okay, if they are alive. So someone is concerned about you here in the house. So that's what I'm having. Let's see what are the signs here I'm having. What are the signs? What are the signs? So this can be an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay, they can be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn here. They can be Pisces or Cancer, water sign. They can be air sign, Gemini here, or they can be a fire sign, Leo and Aries. Okay, so these can be the signs here. Let me see more signs. What are the signs for this reading? They can be a Leo here, okay. They can be an Aquarius, Sagittarius. They can be a June baby here, August baby. Either it's your birthday month or your divine masculine birthday month, okay. They can be a December baby. They can be a January baby, and they can be a Pisces here. So strong Pisces here. Any other sign for this reading? They can be a Virgo and Taurus, that I already told you. Earth signs are all here, okay. So they can be on fire and earth element together. They can born on Friday or Saturday, or you are born on Friday or Saturday. So that was I am having here for you. I hope I help you out in some manner. You can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love and healing light to all of you, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.